Hello, Heron Scholars. Today we're going to be wrapping up Trinidad with Trinidad Part 4. So we're going to start things off by listening to a recording of a calypso called Juve Barrio. And here it is.
I'll tell you a story you do not know. It's about Carnival and Calypso. It is the folk song and ballad of that beautiful island of Trinidad. Every year there's Carnival, don't forget. That is Trinidad National Fete. On Carnival morning, 6 bell chimes, and everyone they would start to rhyme. Jump your jump, dance your dances, bacchanal, play mass Monday morning, Carnival. Jump in the line and break away, shake your hip, believe and faint away. Jump in the line and smack your lips, roll your eye, roll your head and shake your hips. Monday morning on parade, everybody might play masquerade.
Okay, now take a second and answer the questions in the Google form that are concerning this song Juve Barrio. If you need to pause it, this would be a good time to pause the slide. Okay, moving on to MapQuest, locate Trinidad. So, as you can see, Trinidad is shaped like a little boot, and it's right off the coast of South America. So when you're looking for the country of Trinidad, just look for the little boot in the South Caribbean. Okay, we're going to do one more listening today, and that is of Crab and Callaloo.
I am a lad from La Trinidad. I ain't so good and I ain't so bad. I like me singing, I like me fun. I love me good old West Indian rum. I like me crab and me callaloo. I don't like no mulligan stew. I like to be on the open sea. Believe me, that is the life for me. Cajuns like their flying fish. I must admit a delectable dish. But if you want me be friends with you, give me crab and me callaloo. East Indians like their dal and chutney, Italians like their macaroni. But ever since I'm the age of 2, I fall for crab and sweet callaloo.
Okay, so as you heard in the song, they're talking about crab and callaloo. So callaloo, this is a vegetable that originated in West Africa, and this is part of the dish crab and callaloo, which is a staple of Trinidadian cuisine. To make callaloo, you need 1 pound of callaloo leaves, and actually if you want to make this dish, all these ingredients are at Saraga, the international grocery store off of 38th Street. So you can get 1 pound of callaloo leaves, 6 cups of reduced sodium chicken stock, and 1 large chopped onion. You take half a pound of salted beef, 1 whole chili pepper, 1 cup of fresh okra, half a pound of crab meat or shrimp meat, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 6 tablespoons of minced shallots, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried basil. And that, my friends, is what makes up the callaloo in crab and callaloo. Here are the facts for crab and callaloo. Callaloo is a food. Its varied mixture of ingredients, the ones I just read you, suggests the blending of different races in this island and the world. In keeping with the macabre atmosphere of Carnival, the piece you just heard is in a minor key. And we talked about Carnival having all of these different aspects of satire and of dressing in these costumes of devils and witches and all kinds of imagery that represent this, just real, party atmosphere, and that's really what this is capturing. The flourishes of the clarinet solo indicate that klezmer music was an influence in the performance of this piece. So basically what you need to know is every year when the calypso is chosen, the styles of music at the time influenced that calypso. So when this calypso was written, klezmer was that jazzy klezmer sound was very popular. So that influenced this particular calypso. Even the instrumentation, clarinet, guitar, piano, trumpet, except for maracas, indicate a klezmer influence. Many calypsos are heavily influenced by other contemporary musical genres.